Good morning. I just had to jump out of bed to get the garbage out, and I'm pretty sure that I missed it. Anyway, I am here to give you guys another update. I just posted the other day a quick little update about my front porch and how the progress is coming along. So here I am today. Today is August 22, 23. 23, it's the Friday today. So I have a big job today, and I'm hoping that my daughter is going to give me a hand a little bit later today. She doesn't know yet, so she is still sleeping. It's almost 9 in the morning. So my project today is putting up the ceiling. I went to Home Depot the other day and I bought some plywood, and I had them cut it for me because I just have a van and I can't fit huge pieces of plywood into my van. So I had to work out the dimensions, which is 8 by 10, which is not exactly the dimensions, but I will tell you that later. And then I got 10 pieces. Well, I had 2 big pieces cut twice to make, to make 8 pieces, right? So they were all cut into 4 pieces. These are the pieces. And then I had to buy 2 extra, like half pieces or quarter pieces, I guess they are. They're called handy panels. And I brought them all home. So there's 10 pieces altogether that are gonna go up on the ceiling because it's 8 by 10 and they're 2 by 4 pieces. And I got to work and I spray painted them all. I used my sprayer and I did 3 coats of primer and 3 coats of paint. And here they are. They are ready to go up on the ceiling. Now, I got started on one piece. This is the back, obviously, of this piece. And because my porch isn't completely exactly 8 by 10, the middle beam that runs this lengthwise is not exactly like at 4 feet or whatever. So every single board will have to be cut to meet in the middle at that beam. So I cut my first piece, which was 40, I don't know, you guys don't even care about that, right? I'm just talking. Anyway, this is where I'm at. I did this wall. What I did on this wall was, well, I primed it, and then I mixed up a bucket of spackle with PVA glue and white acrylic paint, and I made it like into like a paste, like kind of like a icing batter. And you can see the texture. And me and my son spread it onto this wall in just like a random texture. He did like a pair of glasses and some eyes and a mouth because he wears glasses, so I guess that's his self-portrait. And I just randomly, I don't know, we finger painted and we smushed stuff all over. I kind of tried to do a little flower. Kind of hard to see. So we just filled in all the gaps as best as we could and then just smushed it all over. And then I painted it again. I believe I did 3 coats of white paint on top. And that's how it looks. kind of thinking now that I should have done the color that I did the ceiling, just to kind of make it match. Also, the ceiling pieces, I used a matte paint, and this wall is satin, I believe. And it's a little bit too shiny for me, I think. I don't know. But I need to just keep moving forward and trying to get this project done. Anyway, I cleaned up a bit of my mess. As you can see, got rid of a bunch of stuff. I also finished all of the trim. I had to do some extra pieces of trim to bring it flush with the wood so that it will be ready for trim, like actual trim, you know, that comes to like here and like looks pretty. I have an Amazon order coming today with shelving brackets, and I also bought a frosted window film because I need to keep some of the sun and heat out. Also, I don't want people coming up onto like my deck. I have like a little deck here and looking in my windows and stuff. So, however, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this window because I have an open sign that I want to hang here. So this might be the only one that is open. I do have a Ring doorbell camera though, so that kind of helps. So I'm also going to put window film on these windows here. And that's pretty much my update for today. So stay tuned for another update whenever I can do one.